Yesterday, I marveled at seeing the first blossom birth from a tiny seed I had planted. As I looked at the delicate petals, slowly, gently, beautifully unfurling, revealing vibrant colors and new life from a small buried origin, I thought of the spiritual journey as much the same. We all have those moments when we feel overwhelmed and buried, daunted by challenges and shrouded in darkness. But even in these profound depths, our steadfast faith, strengthened by God's timeless promises, empowers us to rise, to transcend, and to conquer. As the blossoms eagerly reach for the golden embrace of the sun, may our hearts also yearn for the guiding, loving glow of the sun.